So guys, I'm going to be trying to get some videos out to you guys while you're in isolation, while I'm in isolation, and just trying to get some rhythm going with these videos. So sit back, enjoy the video, and press that subscribe button. So the structure of the videos may be different from the rest just because of the limitations with what I can do at this point, but we're going to start looking at the electrics on this bike and start getting everything put in place. But the main thing I want to talk to you today is about the indicators. In this box is some of the smallest, most ridiculously cool indicators I have ever seen for a motorbike. How small are these? These are ridiculously small. Now I have 4 of these, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Front are really straightforward with what I'm doing with, and I'll show you that in this video. The backs I'm incorporating into the acrylic tail light, hence why I was looking for something so small, but we'll come to that in a later video. But for now, I just want to show you how bright these things are as well. So for now, let's get these put on the front of the bike. Real straightforward, you're gonna like them. So let's just get that done. So this is the majority of the electrics we are going to be using. M-unit blue, showery lithium battery, of course the indicators, we've got our Rebel Moto switches in there, the wiring, this is also supplied by ASE Custom Motorcycles, and the M button, but I don't think we'll be using this today. We're just literally going to be plugging straight into this and just seeing if it all works. So for now we are just going to be putting things in place loosely. The battery's not going to be fastened down. The only thing that's going to be properly fastened down is the M unit, just because that has to be grounded. So don't judge me on my wiring, don't judge me on positioning of things, because it's not fun, it's not set in stone, it's just to see if we can get it all working, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Right, I have the literal most ghetto setup here, but we've got this wired in, just the indicators, well, only just the one side for now, but it's more for like a demonstration more than anything. I have the button wired in, the M unit blue, and the indicator. So when you click the button, it's flashing on there, so that means it must be flashing on here. Now look how bright that actually is. And let's cancel it off. Push the button again. It's no longer flashing, so that means it is now off. mean, it's very, very basic what I've done, but I'd like to save the wiring for an entire video on its own. I just wanted to demonstrate those indicators with you, and I just want to thank Kellermann for sending me those out. I cannot wait to get them all fully on the bike. And yeah, let me know what you think. They have some really cool designs, and they are very, very good quality. So go and check them out. Links in the description, link down below here. And yeah, thank you. So I know it's a short little video, but I hope you appreciate it. I hope you enjoy it. Next video, we'll be wiring in this M button and getting all the controls sorted, just because they're all a nice, compact, neat unit all together, and it's a thing that needs to be done to make everything work properly. So subscribe for more, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.